design a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT, you go to ChatGPT and log in. Once you log in, click on GPT Explorer on the left side. The GPT Store offers many helpful custom GPTs with third-party companies that have directly integrated into ChatGPT. Type SlideMaker and click on SlideMaker PowerPoint's presentations. You are going to see a little overview of it. Afterwards, click on Start Chat. Once you are there, type a prompt with the information you need. In this case, I want some basic explanation of the simple present tense in English. Remember that the more specific you write the information in the prompt, the better the information that is going to be included. Then, you wait for some time for ChatGPT to outline the information in each individual slide. Once that the outline of your slides is done, you can customize any of the slides. If you're happy with all the slides, now you type "Please generate" and wait for SlideMaker PowerPoint's presentations to generate your presentation. When you see these three bottoms, click on Allow or Always allow this presentation maker within the custom GPT. Then, you should click on this link to download the presentation. After the generation is done, you have the chance to edit the presentation, where you can fully check out and customize each slide, inserting images or adding and deleting information. After you are satisfied with your presentation, you just download it for free. We hope this tool can be useful in your work.